Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this part, you will learn how to create these kind of leather straps in Blender. This will take some time and effort to create these straps, but at the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create strap like this. So friends, let's start the video. Press Shift A and create a plane. Rotate it like this. Scale it down. Bring forward and move it here. Go to Add Modifier and apply Solidify modifier. Keep the offset value to 0 and increase the thickness value. Now add Subdivision Surface modifier on the top of the Solidify modifier, like this. Now press Tab button to go to Object Mode and press 2 to activate Edge Selection mode. Now select any edge and press E to extrude it further. You have to move and place the straps on the top of the handle. Just extrude one or two faces at a time and move and place it properly. You can move the vertices as well so that it can be nicely placed on the top of the handle. We have to cover all this area with the straps, so we need to be carefully wrap it. The points where the big leather grips and the wrench meets, we need to hide it with the straps. Because we created only half of the wrench, but we need to show that the rest of the wrench is there under the leather straps. I know that this looks quite boring sometime, but after completing this process, you will feel so happy. You can use X-ray view to see through the other side of the handle. Alt Z is the shortcut for X-ray view. Here I am trying to place the straps on the top of the wrench so that I can hide end of the wrench from viewers. Now we have to tie these two ends with a knot. So I will keep this end almost straight and bend at the end. And this end will be rotated around the other end. Take your time and be patient. This can be quite challenging. Maybe we can increase the thickness value. So finally, after a long work on these straps, we finally achieved the beautiful result. I hope you created it much better than me. Now we have to work only on the nut and wrench welding points modeling. For this, I am creating a cube here and move it here. Delete the top and bottom faces. Scale it down until it fits well between wrench and nut. Scale it down on Z-axis. Press Ctrl R to add more geometry to the piece. Now move these vertices and try to fit it well. Select this border area and fill it with a polygon. Go to Add Modifier and apply Subdivision Surface Modifier. Go to Add Modifier again and this time choose Mirror Modifier. Select the Mirror Object Picker tool and select the wrench. Now apply the modifier. Now go back to steps again and apply the modifier. Hold down Shift and Alt and select these two edge loops. And press Ctrl B and drag the mouse to add bevel on the selection. So friends, I think we are done with the leather straps as well as the melee weapon knife. We have created various objects in this modeling process. And I hope you have learned many things from this modeling tutorials. And how I explained the modeling process, please do write to me in the comment box so that I can improve it more. So friends, I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.